So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to share your referral link with someone here on a Swagbucks. So once Swagbucks is opened up, I want you to go ahead to the bottom right and press more. Once you're on this page, I want you to simply scroll down to where it says refer right here. So if you're at the top, scroll down to where it says more ways to earn. And then where it says refer, go ahead and select that. Now once you're here, so if you actually go ahead and you share the link, which is right here, I can copy it, I can email it, text it, whatever. If someone signs up using that link, you actually get 10% of their lifetime earnings. So it says right here, 10% lifetime earnings. That's right, refer your friends and earn 10% of the SB or the Swagbucks they earn on Swagbucks for life. So simply go ahead and share it. And yeah, pretty straightforward there. So that's how you guys can share your referral link with people on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.